I can't believe he's made that. You know what? We're gonna split up all the childs. Sparkles! Vanessa! Sparkles! Sparkles! Come here right now. Okay. Vanessa. Yes. Dad, who's that? Who? Could that be Vanessa? No, that can't be. Dad, get out. Hey, yeah. Oh, hey. What's your name? My name's Vanessa. What's yours? Sparkles. Hey, Mom, look at my new friend. What? Could that be you, Sparkle? Who the heck are you? I'm your old mother.